Could this be the compact SUV that finally makes Mitsubishi a serious contender in Europe? Today we're getting our first hands-on look at the 2025 Mitsubishi ASX, and it's packing some serious surprises. Hey everyone, the compact SUV segment might be crowded, but the new ASX is making a bold play for your attention. This isn't just a rebadged Alliance product. Mitsubishi has put real effort into making this crossover stand out. Let's start with what catches your eye first. That aggressive dynamic shield front end is unmistakably Mitsubishi, with sharp LED lighting that gives the ASX a premium appearance. Walking around the vehicle, the smooth silhouette is punctuated by those pronounced wheel arches housing either 17-inch steel wheels or these more striking 18-inch diamond-cut alloys we're seeing today. Under the hood, Mitsubishi offers 4 distinct powertrain options. There's a 1-liter turbo for efficiency, a punchy 1.3-liter mild hybrid in 2 states of tune, and the most interesting option, a full hybrid combining a 1.6-liter engine with dual electric motors for 105 kilowatts of total power. Now here's where things get interesting. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is this massive 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen dominating the dashboard. It runs built-in Google software and connects with Mitsubishi's smartphone app for remote functions like finding your vehicle or checking its status. The display is crisp, responsive, and positions the ASX as a genuinely tech-forward option. But the real genius is in the back. This sliding rear bench seat can move forward by 16 centimeters. That's not just a premium feature, it comes standard on every single ASX. Slide it forward, and your cargo space expands from 442 liters to 511 liters. Slide it back, and your rear passengers get limousine-like legroom. It's a simple yet brilliant solution that instantly makes the ASX more versatile than many of its competitors. What's fascinating about the ASX is how it represents modern automotive partnerships. Built at Renault's plant in Spain, it leverages Alliance technology while maintaining Mitsubishi's distinctive character. This isn't just badge engineering, it's smart collaboration. From what we're seeing today, the 2025 ASX deserves serious consideration if you're shopping for a compact SUV. It doesn't try to reinvent the segment, but instead focuses on practical innovations like that sliding rear seat and modern tech that buyers actually care about. The competition won't be sleeping, but with its blend of style, technology, and genuinely useful features, the new ASX proves that Mitsubishi still knows how to make an impact. This could be exactly the model they need to strengthen their position in Europe's fiercely competitive SUV market. What do you think of the 2025 Mitsubishi ASX? I'm eager to hear your first impressions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.